I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by arranging essentials. Sit 1 to 2 meters from a simple focal point and relax your face. Now look at the center and let your vision soften. Do not squint. Once done, allow colors and movement at the edge to register without shifting your eyes. Use gentle blinking and keep the head steady so peripheral signals can be processed. Practice this for 1-2 minutes to prime the visual field and build awareness of the outer zones. You now train the middle steps. Partially block central vision about half to encourage outer detectors to work. Once done, scan only with your soft gaze and name 3 things you sense in the outer 30 degrees: motion, contrast, or shape. Make sure to alternate sides and repeat 3 60-second sets with 20 30-second rests. This detailed execution strengthens the neural link between retina edges and attention, so you finish by applying peripheral vision to real tasks. Walk, play, or simulate driving while maintaining soft focus. Once done, slowly remove the central block and note improvements. Track with quick tests like spotting side movement. Make sure to increase difficulty progressively, longer sessions or complex backgrounds, so gains transfer. If you feel dizzy or overwhelmed, stop, blink, and refocus centrally. Reduce the session length and intensity. This single troubleshooting tip prevents setbacks and keeps training productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.